Hello guys, you're probably wondering how to make the red boy. First, here's how to do it. First, type in blue face. You see like this, but go to images, go to this, and then look for the one that says blue emoji, the website. Go for here. Wait. Look for the one that says blue emoji, click on it, boom! Got it. You might be saying, but, how do I change colors? Easy. Purple, yellow, red, pink, blue, green, white, and black. Here's the one I would recommend if you want to make a meme video. First, you might need the thumbs up, scale and defend me. I will choose to scale and defend me. First, click download. After that, go to here, go to there, and put save image. Boom! You just got it. Also, it does no writings on it. It does not have a right background. It's literally backwards. That's how to say it. So yeah, you can literally get all of these for free. No money cost. Now you can make memes. There you go. That's very easy. The website is called blueemoji.io. You can type that in. Well, anyways, let's choose something good. I'm gonna choose the mouth curling up, saddy. I couldn't choose the happy guy, laughing squirty face. Green face with sweat. That'd be good if you want to make a whole video. It'd be really fun to put a lot of sound effects, which I'm going to show you how. First, go to myistic.com. It's a soundboard. You type in hi.
You won.
A bunch of things that you can use for your videos. So if you want, just go play it. Boom, you just got something for your video, guys. And also, if you want, add effects and text. It's gonna take a lot, but don't worry, trust me. It's cool. Especially just timing that. And then, boom, you're done. Now there you go. That's how you get a red face. That's how to